It looks like a mess. Hello people on the internet and my friends, welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, hi! Today we are doing a BTS Dynamite inspired makeup. BTS came back, put out a new song called Dynamite, and if you haven't listened to it, go stream it now. So this music video is inspired by like 70s disco era and a bit of modernized pastel color, so that's what we're going for the eyeshadow. A little bit of pop color here and there. I'm actually super excited to do this makeup, so less talking, more so makeup. This is my outfit: gold earrings, gold necklace, and shirt. This is like my only very bold collar t-shirt I have, because like 70s have like pattern color shirts and they're very nice, but I don't own any because they don't suit my style. So now I'm gonna do my hair first. So now we're going to put on foundation, concealer, and bronzer. Time lapse. So now I want to cut out stars from this holographic cardboard book. It's a book about a school, but this cover is so beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna use this, cut out stars for the cheek, one side. Wait, let's apply blush first. Now we're going to stick on the stars using the slash glue I have. We're going to do the eyeshadows. We're going to use colors like red, yellow, pink, blue, kind of like the rainbow color. You'll see what I'm talking about. First, we're going to take the shade Canvas. And now we're going to take the shade B. We're going to dab the color into like a circle. You can have multiple. Basically repeat the process of dabbing the colors onto your eyelids, and you can use any color you like. Blend it out with a shimmer shade, and that's kind of it. See the blue color? That's the effect I'm going for. So now I've put all the colors down. I want to put the shimmer shade of those colors onto the lid to blend it out. And when I'm done, I'll come back. It looks like a mess. Anyways, it's not done yet. So now we're going to add this white color called Flashback on the under eye. Now we're going to take a brush, kind of blend everything so it doesn't look too weird. Now we're going to add liner. So I put on a thin layer of liner. It's not really obvious, but it's there. It literally is like a disco ball on my eye. Anyways, now we are going to write out the word dynamite on my face here. My wording is not so good, so I try to line it up as much as I can. I don't have much paint on my face, so it has to go on my nose. Now we're going to put on lipstick, mascara, lashes, and maybe draw on some red. Right, so put on lashes, put on lipstick, and now I'm going to put down my hair. So let's hope it's okay. What is this? What is this? Okay, the front is okay. The sides are weird, but I kind of like it. Oh. Basically, this is the look. Very disco, 70s inspired. Dynamite! Stream Dynamite, go! Right now! Stream it! This is a fun song. It's more like a... yeah, it's just a fun song. No deep things. It's just a fun song. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you like this makeup. Also, if you like to see more K-pop inspired makeup or anything inspired makeup, definitely go subscribe. Also, check out my playlist to see all the makeups I've done on this channel, and follow me on Instagram. I post pictures of my makeup. Thank you. Bye bye.